myntoi rong ba ka jala megalia Conrad ke sangma ulong ba hadu menta ompat yo jingtho ne jingtep ya ka jingtmu ka sokar India ban penlong ke Hindi kum ka subject bomla banjiet ha ki school puli ki badan ha ka jala ka than chatai lam mingi kari India da ka ba ka do ba kamlong ka bosngo pla bala da ki samla kinang ya kiwei ki ktien nak banta ka jingmento jingki ulong ba ka long ka ba bhala da kinang English Hindi ne ktien Japan ru.
I have seen the benefit of learning Hindi. English also as an English language. I don't see any reason why learning a new language, whether it's Hindi, whether it's English, or whether it's Japanese, is not a bad thing at all. It is something that is positive, and I feel that I'm not saying about Hindi alone. I'm talking about learning a language. I think language learning is something that gives you accessibility. So therefore, when it comes to the world market in terms of employment, English is very important. So one has to be proficient in English. When it comes to national level, we need to realize that Hindi is the largest spoken in one-way language throughout the country. And so it's an advantage for our youngsters to be able to learn a new language like Hindi also. So I think there's nothing wrong in learning Hindi and making sure that our children also learn English and Hindi both. This second side of the whole thing is that while we do that, and while Government of India works towards making it mandatory, we have not received any documentation. So I don't really know what the structure of this entire process that they have in mind is. But while we do that, like the Home Minister has said, that the mother tongue should always be on top, and highest priority should be given to that. What we would urge is that, and what I would want to do and see is that while Government of India may put these suggestions and these recommendations, we should put equal push from Government of India side also, that there should be learning, research or institutes for our local languages also. So therefore, more push should be put for local languages as well. So while research should be done, documentation should be done, and funds should be given by central government to put up institutes to promote the local languages. So if we were to do that, and at the same time encourage our students to also learn English and Hindi at the same time, I think is something that is good, is positive. As I said, one should not create a position here and a stand and just say we don't want to learn Hindi. That's not the way I feel one should look at. One should look at what is going to be in the best interest of our youth and our youngsters. So therefore, while keeping our own culture, while all keeping our own language at top priority, and ensuring that there is more research done in it, by ensuring that there are institutes that are put in here, more money is spent on that, it is good if our children can learn English, Hindi, and even Japanese or another foreign language. So it's positive to learn, and it helps them in the future in terms of job opportunities for them.